Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about a common disease that is sleep apnea, जिसे हम नींद में खर्राटा लेना भी कहते हैं. Apnea means no breathing at all, no movement of air at the level of nose and mouth during sleep is called sleep apnea. Type of sleep apnea is three types: obstructive, central and mixed. In obstructive type, due to collapse of the upper airways resulting in cessation of airflow, may be obstructive condition of nose, nasopharynx, oral cavity, oropharynx and larynx, etc. In central sleep apnea, airways are patent but brain fails to send signal to muscles to breathe. And third is mixed sleep apnea. It includes or it is combination of both type, that is obstructive and central. Pathophysiology of obstructive sleep apnea. During sleep, it causes hypoxia and retention of carbon dioxide that leads to pulmonary constriction. It causes congestive heart failure, bradycardia, cardiac hypoxia. This causes cardiac arrhythmia and sudden death. So this is pathophysiology of obstructive sleep apnea. Causes: allergy, nasal polyp, adenoids, obesity, alcoholic. Complication of obstructive sleep apnea: congestive heart failure, polycythemia and hypertension, atrial and ventricular arrhythmias and left heart failure, attack of angina, snoring spouse syndrome, loss of memory, decreased libido, traffic accident, etc. Physiology of sleep. What is normal physiology of sleep? Normal physiology of sleep. Normal adult sleep 7 to 8 hours. Sleep is performed or type of two types: non-REM and REM. REM means rapid eye movement. Non-REM sleep, it forms 75 to 80% sleep and occurs in four stages. Stage 1 is 2 to 5%, stage 2 is 45 to 55%, stage 3 3 to 8% and stage 4 10 to 15%. So this distribution of stage is based on the EEG and other tests. REM 20 to 25% of total sleep, increased autonomic activity, erratic cardiac and respiratory movement. Dreaming occurs in this stage. So we see dream in REM stage. Physical examination in this case: body mass index, collar size, complete head and neck examination, Mueller's maneuver, systemic examination, cephalometric radiographs, polysomnography. It includes EEG, ECG, EOM, EMG, pulse oximetry, nasal and oral airflow, sleep position, blood pressure, esophageal, etc. Treatment: non-surgical, includes change in lifestyle, positional therapy, intraoral device, continuous positive airways pressure. Medicinal treatment in homeopathy, arsenic, belladonna, drosera rotunda, hypersulph, teucrium, Brita iode and other medicine according to conditions of the patient. In surgical treatment or in surgery for sleep apnea, nasal, oropharyngeal, tonsillectomy, advancement genioplasty with hyoid suspension, maxillomandibular advancement, osteotomy. Its leads are included in relation with the sleep apnea. Yoga and physical respiratory exercise and general exercise help in this condition, along with positive attitude and balanced diet and proper sleep helps in management of sleep apnea. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.